He never meant for anyone to read it. Marcus Aurelius kept a private journal. No title, no audience, no plan to publish. Just a man writing to himself in the quiet hours, trying to be better than he was. And when you read it knowing that, everything changes. He wasn't recording wisdom. He was arguing with himself, telling himself to stop wasting mornings, stop caring what people think, stop being petty. He repeated the same lessons over and over, not because they were profound, but because he kept forgetting them. This was a man who ruled the known world, and he still had to remind himself, daily, that he would die, that anger was a waste, that he was falling short. The book, held up as a monument of Stoic philosophy, is really just a record of a man who didn't think he was doing enough. Every line was written for no one, which means every line is completely honest. The question is not whether you are failing to live up to your own beliefs. The question is whether you are honest enough to admit it.